Hi y'all, it's me, Darla G, and I'm gonna show y'all a quick video on how to do Connie's cottage ladder. I believe it's actually the twisted cottage ladder. Okay, 7/8 inch ribbon. I have it, the center one doubled, and then I have two colors here, the diamond dust silver and then the black on the other side. Put them in a T and then fold both of these sides over to make it straight along the edge. The way I like to do it, and I think Connie said the same thing, is put a piece of tape across here. Okay, your first fold. And I like this one because you can fold it precisely, so it kind of makes it a bit easier. You're gonna go under the middle ribbon, so under that red. You're never gonna be folding the red. So really, at some point, I even place a piece of tape here as well. So you're gonna fold it just like that. Then you're gonna take your black and silver on the other side, fold it up and through. And whoop. Yeah, so I kind of like to place a piece of tape here as well, but right, and you just easily and kind of slowly. Wait a minute, I may have to, okay, there we go. All right, so that's the first fold. Once you get it taut, and make sure this one is as well, you can put a crease. Then you're gonna take this one here, fold it under to make it back exactly straight, and this one and fold it over. Okay, now you're back here. So I believe instead of doing what I did a second ago, let's just check it out. This one under the red but over the black. And then this one is just gonna go straight back up through, just like that. Now, when you're pulling it, watch, I did it wrong again. So, let's see what I'm doing wrong. Okay. There we go. That's what I was doing wrong. So go fold it like this. So you're basically just folding it one time over. You're gonna be able to see the silver now here. Still, you do the same thing. You pull this one through. And you tie it up. Once it feels like it's pretty taut, smash it down. Fold this side under and this side over the top. And we're back at square one. Okay, so now let's see if I can do it right. All right, so we take this under, make sure. There we go. And you take this side, flip it over. Now we're gonna tie it up. Accidentally got flipped, but no worries, because I think I know exactly what I did. Okay, so make sure you turn it outward. If you can remember that. Make your loop outward, then go through. There we go. Okay. So hopefully by having these mistakes, maybe y'all can, if you're doing something wrong, you can figure it out. Maybe you're doing the same thing as me. Or maybe you're not making the same mistakes. Okay, fold this one under and this one over. You're always folding this side under and this side over. So let's do it again if I can follow my own directions. So we're turning it out. on this side. No, I cannot follow my own instructions. Okay, try it one more time. See, so I said out, right? Actually, what do I really mean by that? No, I think this is it. Yeah, because that would be outward. All right, let's try. I'm doing something wrong. So let's try this. Yeah, outward. But I'm not sure if that will work either. So I'll come back on this part. Okay, right quick. I think I was going wrong by trying to do it too close up. So just like this. Make sure your black is still under, of course. And through here. Look, I was doing it fine until I tried to put the video back on. There we go. Okay. So now I'm getting those a little turned around, but it's pretty easy to fix it once you like see what's going on with it. Okay, pull that under, that one over. Okay, so here we are. We're still going here. And I love this one because done in this 7/8 inch ribbon, we already have a good 6 inches, and I mean, we haven't had to use very much ribbon, so I really like it for that reason too. So we're gonna take this, and here's where I really need another piece of tape. I don't have it close by, so I'm just gonna put this little pack of wipes, don't mind that, to kind of make it a little straighter here, keep my middle line straighter. All right, I'm gonna flip this under. And take this, pull it up. Okay. Perfect. See how easily that goes. Pull this side down, crease it. Make sure this one goes under, crease it. Now you're back to black on black. You're gonna do the same thing again. Flip it all the way over, just like this. Take this one, and you're taking it over the red, and then again under on this side, okay? And there we go. And guys, somehow I overthink it when I try to explain it at all, which is not good. So let's try that one again. Okay, I know the silver side needs to be facing up. And we do the turn. Why is it doing that? Okay, I went and got a piece of tape to tape down a little bit further down this red piece. So maybe if that's what's causing my mess up. Okay. There we go. See how much progress this makes, just like, I think because the ribbon is bigger, you can really make some length pretty quickly. For your large mums, this is great. And I think it's gorgeous. And folding this side under always, this side over always, to get back on your black side. I'm just going to tighten it a bit more. Okay, I'm trying to figure out which way I'm doing it wrong again. Okay, I guess it's this way. There we go. Well, you know, this is supposed to be under, so that part's my fault for sure. There we go. Now see, I'm reversing it. Why, I don't know why. But let me just show you real quick. I think I finally fixed it. Yes. Okay, so whatever I just did, do that. Guys, I'm sorry. This is my second one to make. The first one I'm pretty sure went a little smoother, but that's okay. It's really not hard, promise, even though I'm making it look hard. Okay, so just to show you real quick what this is gonna do when you're all said and done is, and why I love it so much, is it twists like this naturally. Now the tighter you do it, the more it's gonna twist, and then you can also sort of help it to twist. But I love it because look at the middle, look at the back of this side. Look at the back of this side. Oh, I love it, I love it. So whatever you don't need to show that much, you can always put in the middle, but I love this red in the middle. Okay, thanks guys.